Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting kitchen gadget that has caught our attention, the Ninja PrecisionPro 1000 PW food processor and dough mixer. We found this product online, and you can check the description below for a link to the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is this product? The Ninja PrecisionPro is a versatile food processor designed to make food preparation easier and quicker. With a powerful 1000 p-quad motor, it promises to handle tough ingredients effortlessly, ensuring smooth and consistent results every time. Whether you're chopping vegetables, shredding cheese, or mixing dough, this machine aims to be your go-to kitchen companion. Now, let's highlight some of the key features that stand out. One of the most impressive aspects of the Ninja PrecisionPro is its Auto IQ technology. This smart feature includes 4 intelligent preset programs that take the guesswork out of food prep. With one-touch control, you can easily chop, slice, shred, puree, or make dough without needing to adjust settings manually. This is especially beneficial for those who may not feel confident in their food prep skills. Another great feature is its large capacity. The 9-cup processing bowl is perfect for preparing large batches, whether you're cooking for a family meal, entertaining guests, or planning your weekly meal prep. The large feed chute also adds convenience, allowing you to process whole ingredients like cucumbers or carrots without the need for pre-cutting. When it comes to food processing, precision is key. The Ninja PrecisionPro is equipped with stainless steel blades designed for optimal performance. These precision chopping blades ensure perfectly even chopping, smooth pureeing, and consistent slicing and shredding. Additionally, it comes with a reversible slicing/shredding disc, which provides even more versatility. You can slice meats and vegetables on one side and shred cheese or carrots on the other. For baking enthusiasts, the included dough blade is a real game changer. It can handle everything from mixing pizza dough to pastry batters, making it a must-have for any home baker. The Ninja PrecisionPro allows you to create delicious baked goods without the hassle of manual mixing. Now, who is this product suitable for? If you're someone who enjoys cooking and wants to simplify meal preparation, this food processor is an excellent choice. It's perfect for busy parents, aspiring chefs, or anyone looking to save time in the kitchen. Whether you're a novice or a seasoned cook, the Ninja PrecisionPro offers the tools you need to make food prep efficient and enjoyable. In terms of practical use cases, imagine whipping up a fresh salsa for your next gathering. Simply throw in your tomatoes, onions, and cilantro, select the chopping preset, and in seconds, you'll have a delicious dip ready to go. Or, if you're planning a family pizza night, use the dough blade to mix your pizza dough effortlessly. The possibilities are endless with this versatile appliance, allowing you to explore new recipes and culinary techniques. Cleaning up after cooking can often be the most tedious part, but with the Ninja PrecisionPro, that's made easy as well. All the blades, discs, containers, lids, and pushers are BPA-free and dishwasher safe, so you can spend less time scrubbing and more time enjoying your culinary creations. In summary, the Ninja PrecisionPro food processor and dough mixer is a powerful, versatile kitchen appliance that can elevate your cooking experience. With its Auto IQ technology, large capacity, and precision blades, it's designed to make food prep easier and more efficient. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.